Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. All of you sit properly. All of you sit properly and mute yourself. Radhika Verma, mute yourself. Have you done the question and answers of the topic, the Green Act? Good. You can use the chat box for typing yes or no, ma'am. Today we will discuss the question and answer, and tomorrow we will start with the practice book. Now, all of you take out your answers. You remember I have told that today we are going to discuss the question and answers. Have you all done? 7 and 3, 8. All of you take out your answer in front of you. All of you take out your answers in front of you so that you can read your answer. So I am going to read C7 life skills. So the question was that your class fellows are, is your class fellow, it was, are your class fellows indifferent to the cleanliness of your school surrounding? Do they make an effort to keep it clean? Have you written the answer? Then raise your hand. Raise your hand. Good. Radhika? Radhika Verma? Yes, Radhika, unmute yourself. Good. Unmute yourself and read out your answer. Okay, Radhika, mute yourself. Anitya, have you written the answer? Yes, Anitya, tell me your answer. Tell me your answer. It is question number C7. Life skills. Have you done? Okay. Read your answer. That is that much your answer. Anitya, your answer is finished. Okay. Now anybody else? Yes, Siksha Singh. Siksha of 5A. You want to add something? Siksha, have you written this answer? Life skill? Can you tell me the first point? Yes, Siksha? Read the first point. Siksha, Shiksha is not reading. Now, Aradhya Verma, Aradhya Verma, unmute yourself. Aradhya Verma, unmute yourself. Yes, have you written the answer, Aradhya? Any answer you have not written? Okay, let me see if anyone has written the answer. I will take the answer. Wait a minute, don't worry. Let me see if students have written the answer or not. Radhika has already told the answer. Yes, Chitransh Srivastav of 5E. Unmute yourself. Chitransh, have you written the answer? Have you written the answer? Why? Now, students, anybody else who has done the homework? Yes, Siksha, read your answer. Unmute yourself. Come on, be quick. Siksha, are you able to listen me? Anyway, students, I am explaining you the question and the answer. Who is speaking? Who was speaking? Who has told this answer? Who has told this answer? Radhika. Radhika, so you have just now you have told that your class fellows are really indifferent as they are throwing the bits of paper, wrappers, and other litter not in the correct place. Now I am explaining you the correct answer. All of you listen it properly. The question is, are your class fellows indifferent to the cleanliness of the school surroundings? Do they make any effort to keep it clean? Students, you should write down the answer in 4. Right? Your answer will be like this. No, my class fellows are not indifferent to the cleanness of the school surroundings. Full stop. I will send the answer. First listen the answer, students. Try to understand it. Yes, they make an effort to keep it clean. Yes, they make it an effort. They make an effort to keep it clean. Now, the first point. My class fellows throw the litter in the dustbin which is kept in the classroom. Clear? My class fellows throw the litter in the dustbin which is kept in the classroom. Is it clear, students? Now, then in the next question, it has been asked, mention the steps. Okay. The steps that can be taken up to inculcate a sense of cleanliness among the students are following. Students, have you understood the chapter, the Green Act? You can use the chat box for typing yes or no. Use the chat box for typing yes or no. Now, can you tell me, you take your time and think, what are the steps that you can take to inculcate a sense of cleanliness among the students? How the students will be motivated so that they can keep their surroundings clean in the school campus? How? Think. You can use the chat box for typing your answers. Have you got any point? Now I am telling, yes, Amrit Ojha. Amrit Ojha, do you have any point? No. Now students, I am telling you the first point. The teacher can conduct the awareness programs in the school. You can write down the teacher, write down all of you. The teacher can conduct awareness programs. Just for the time being, you just note down these points in your rough notebook. Then I will provide you the notes and you will fare the notes in your literature notebook. Clear? The teacher can conduct the awareness programs in the school. Clear? Conduct, C-O-N-D-U-C-T. Conduct. Awareness, AWARENESS. Awareness programs. PROGRAMS. Programs in the school. In the school. Full stop. Anybody can tell me the second point? Yes, Prakhar Raj. What are you eating? Prakhar Raj of 5E. What are you eating? I can see you on the screen. Now students, anybody can tell me what else can be done in the school? Can anybody tell me? See, I am telling you, the students should be encouraged to throw the litter in the dustbin. Write down, the students should be encouraged Spelling of encouraged is ENCOURAGED. Encouraged. To throw the litter. To throw the litter. 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 In the dustbin. In the dustbin. Good. Amrit Ojha, your answer is correct. The next point which I have written is that only students can be encouraged to design a poster to spread awareness about the cleanliness. Now, the third point, write down all of you. Students, write down the third point. The students should, SHOULD, should be encouraged, ENCOURAGED, encouraged to design, 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 poster, 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 comma, who is speaking? Ayush. Ayush. Ayush Kumar. Ayush Kumar of 5A is there on, I can see him on the screen. He's writing. Okay. Siksha. Okay, just a minute. Siksha of 5A, why are you roaming? Why are you not sitting at one place? Siksha Singh of class 5A, are you listening? Sit down at one fixed place. Yes, Chitransh, you are also correct. We can make poster. Students can be encouraged to design a poster and write. Then they can design poster and write slogans 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 on the and write slogans and write WRITE, write slogans. Slogans spelling is SLOGANS, slogans. Slogans on the, write down, on the theme, THEME, theme of cleanliness, of cleanliness. Write down CLEAN, clean, LINESS, cleanliness, full stop. Now, next point, it is the last one. The students can make sashes. The students The students, yes, Amrit, you are correct. The students can make sashes, 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 and write catchy, catchy, catchy slogans, 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 slogans on it, written on it. Have you all done? Now, very good. Now, C8, I will be giving the notes. Just I am explaining in the class the answers. I will send you the notes. All of you take out question number C8, value based questions. Value based questions. From the box, pick up the phrases that you associate with Sachin and Neha. Give reasons for your choice. So here are three phrases given and you have to select the phrases and you have to write down the reasons for your choice. For example, accepting moral responsibility means अपनी जिम्मेदारियों को उठाना. So anybody has written the answer? Radhika Verma has written and Radhika Ranjan has written. Okay, lower your hand. Radhika, Radhika Ranjan. Yes, Radhika Ranjan of 5E. Unmute yourself. Radhika, yes. Read your answer, Radhika. Radhika, wait. Radhika, Radhika. No. Just wait, beta. All of you wait. Radhika, the correct pronunciation is Radhika. Speak after me. मेरे साथ बोलिए. Courage. बोलिए courage. To initiate. To initiate a venture. A venture. Venture. हाँ. Now you read your answer. Yes, Radhika, read your answer. Very good. Very good. Okay. And okay, Radhika, well tried. Radhika Verma, unmute yourself. Radhika Verma. Yes, Radhika, read your answer. Which phrase you have chosen? Beta see. Now I am okay, Radhika. Mute yourself. Radhika, beta mute yourself. Yes, Anidya, have you written? Yes, read your answer. Which phrase you have chosen? Which phrase? Students, see, I am explaining you the answer. If you choose the first phrase, that is accepting moral responsibility, then what should be your answer? Sachin and Neha, Sachin and Neha, Sachin and Neha accepted the moral responsibility. You all can write down the answer. Write down the answer, students. Sachin and Neha accepted 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 the moral responsibility. The spelling is given in the phrase moral, moral responsibility, responsibility, responsibility to clean, to clean the beach, to clean the beach, as as it was very much dirty, as it was very much dirty. Have you all done, students? Now, second one. See, students, try to understand. Courage to initiate a venture. Means, see, students, what happened? The sea beach was very much dirty. It was a filthy place. It was a grimy place. And all the tourists were enjoying on the sea beach. They never bothered that so much litter, garbage, trash is thrown on the sea beach, and nobody was paying attention towards this important matter. But Sachin and Neha, they worked on a plan and they tried to clean the surroundings of the beach. So write down, students. Sachin and Neha, Sachin and Neha had a courage to initiate. No, beta, it's courage. You can see in the question, phrase is given, courage, 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 to initiate, initiate a venture, a venture of cleanliness, of cleanliness. Put the cleanliness in a single quote, and spread awareness, and spread awareness, awareness, awareness among the tourist, tourists, tourists, to keep the beach clean, To keep the beach clean. To keep the beach, 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 clean, 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 full stop. Have you all written? Students, have you all written? Very good. Now, the third phrase, students. Willingness to contribute. Aradhya Verma. Have you all written? See, now the third phrase is saying that Neha and Sachin were willing to contribute in the cleanliness of the beach. So all of you write down the answer. Neha and Sachin, write down the answer. Neha and Sachin, are you people writing? Students, are you writing? Neha and Sachin were willing, were willing, willing to contribute, to contribute in the cleanliness, in the cleanliness drive, drive, and make the beach clean, and make the beach clean, and make the beach clean. Students are writing, and make the make the beach clean. Girishant Molly, are you writing? Girishant, good. Mute yourself. Ayush Kumar, both Ayush. Roll number 20. And yes, Ayush, both of you are writing. Ayush, okay. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Good. Now, let us discuss question number C9. All of you take out question number C9. Have you taken out? See, somebody is speaking. Kindly mute yourself. Students, mute yourself. Can you tell me who is speaking? Yes, Chitransh. Better mute yourself. Now, all of you, let us discuss question number C9. See, you can see here different kind of expression. Expression of enjoyment, expression of embarrassment. Then so many expressions are here, and I am going to read out the sentence, and you have to tell me the name of the expression. The first question: when the children successfully completed their mission, what will be the answer? Ankit Raj, just a minute. Ankit Raj and Pushpanjali, just a minute, students. Ankit Raj, yes, what is the answer, Putta? Yes, tell me. Correct. Yes, mute yourself. It is not over enjoyed. All of you write down the answer. Overjoyed. 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 Written all of you. Now, students, we have only 4 minutes left. Quickly. When they saw the littered beach, when they when they saw the littered beach, they were disappointed. They were disappointed. Now, when the children's parent saw the difference they had brought about on the beach, they felt proud. They felt proud. Next, when the tourists were presented with sashes to wear over their shoulders, they were quite embarrassed.